G'day, Rick from Reno Warriors. We're about to start our new project. This ensuite's about 5 years old, so 5 years young. Let's come and check out what they did wrong. All right, we're in here. This is our major problem. The water from the shower is running straight out onto the carpet. Have a look at the fall that's actually going towards the carpet. So if I take this out, this is level. If I take this out, that's the fall, running this way. It's supposed to run this way. This is the difference. Check out the carpet. Have a look at this. Major problem, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to totally take this out. We're going to gut it, start again, get the right fall, get it waterproof properly. You need a certificate when you get this waterproof. You can't go cheap. Cheap is this. Stay tuned.